Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use coupons effectively on Black Friday to save the most money possible. First, start by signing up for newsletters from your favorite stores a few days before Black Friday. Many retailers send exclusive coupon codes early. Next, download store apps like Target Circle, Walmart, or Best Buy, since they often include app-only deals and digital coupons. When shopping online, install extensions like Honey or Rakuten. They automatically apply the best coupon codes at checkout. For in-store shopping, print or screenshot your coupons and make sure they're valid for Black Friday dates, as some expire early. Also, try stacking coupons with existing sales or cashback offers. Many stores allow multiple discounts at once. Finally, compare prices between stores before checking out, since one retailer's coupon might not beat another sale. Plan ahead, combine smartly, and you'll stretch your budget further this Black Friday. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.